Hey, what's up guys? So in this tutorial we will be learning about member in a classes in Java, and from the last video I believe you already know that a class exists inside a class is known as an inner class. So now let's start with the member in a class, but before that, if you're new here, then please don't forget to subscribe, and now let's begin. Now, what is member in a class? So guys, a non-static class that is created inside a class but outside a method can be known as a member in a class. And why we use it? So we use in a class to logically group classes and interface in a one place so that it can be more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of outer class including private data members and methods, which we'll just see in a while once we see the programming example. So let's jump to that. So guys, here we have this simple program example that's going to help us to understand the concept of member in a class. And as we studied that a class which exists inside a class, so we can see this class name in a class exists inside this class. The name is member in a class. Also, this member in a class is not a static, which means it is a non-static, and also this in a class does not exist inside any method. So this class we can call as a member in a class. We have also studied that we can use a member in a class to access any private data member. So here we have this private data member, and the data type is string and the value is Erfisto. I've also created a method here, and the method name is print, and it's gonna print hello for us. So we're gonna print hello and then the name that is gonna be the Erfisto. And to do that, I have made an object here. I believe you know how to create the objects. If no, then I will definitely put the link in the I button here, and in the description I will definitely recommend you to check that once. So here I've created the object for our inner class, and then for our outer class, that is member in a class here, and here we have this object for our inner class. And now just by using the object name, I can call this particular method, that is print, just by saying in.print, and then I will get this hello, and then I will get hello Erfisto. So let's go ahead and run the program to see if we get the expected output. So guys, here we have the expected output, that is hello Erfisto, because we call the print method using the object name in, and inside the print method we have this message hello, and we are accessing the name. So this is how you can create the member in a class, and using the member in class you can access any private data member. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, please write down below. I would love to answer that. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.